Have you ever wondered what the number one piece of advice is that a relationship coach of 25 years would give couples who are parenting children? Some of the marriage research shows that the 7-year mark of the marriage is one of the highest, most volatile likely times that a person would divorce. That 7th year, we're kind of through the dating stage, we're through the newlywed stage, we've had a kid, maybe 2, and now we're starting to really starve in our co-parenting. One of you might be more fixated on the kids, the other might be more fixated on work. You're both fixated on work, you're both struggling with the kids, that the marriage might suffer a little bit, right? The minute kids start to enter the relationship, the research historically shows the marital satisfaction starts to go down and something new is born, family. Now family satisfaction is going up and marriage satisfaction is going down. Now you have 2 institutions in play, and they're 2 things that are different. And sometimes we merge those together and we think our family is our marriage, and it's not. Because later when all the kids leave, you're gonna find it out there too. So if you want a healthy marriage, you gotta find energy, you gotta find attention and bandwidth to dedicate to the marriage. And the way to do that is very simply connect with loving rituals. We are going to create connected, loving habits to actually make sure that we are putting priority, time, and energy into our marriage. I want you to have 2 to 3 daily rituals. But a daily ritual would be something like a kiss hello and a kiss goodbye. It could be a 20-minute uninterrupted couple time, where once you get the kids to bed, we turn off the TVs, we turn off all of our social media, and we sit and we talk for like 20 minutes. The ritual could be something as simple as cuddling while you're watching a show together. But the rules are very simple about cuddling. No groping, okay, ladies, we're not a piece of meat, and no griping. Don't just bring up negative talk. Don't try to fix your problems while you're cuddling. I want you to have a weekly ritual. That could be date nights, 1 time a week, no kids, get a babysitter, or you can stay in, put the kids to bed, and have your own in-house date night. I want you to have a monthly ritual, which might be something that you can't always afford to do every week, but we do it once a month. Go back to those plays you used to love. Go back and listen to the music at that one bar you used to go to. Go do the things that used to make you feel the love in the first place. And I want you to have 2 to 3 annual rituals. And the annual rituals could be going away for your anniversary, going away for each other's birthdays, and celebrating the bigger events of your life. And when you consistently put in the rituals, guess what happens? You can make it through those more difficult stages where the kids are coming.